Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator and this is today's market update for January 5th, 2021. So yesterday the market it pulled back down on the first trading day of the year. This is the first time it happened on the first day since 2016. So the market after they pull back down, they go to the buy zone and they're able to find a support and then they be able to continue to push it back up. If you look at the bigger time frame, the market is still continue to have a high low. So technically the trend is still up. So we will stick in the uptrend until they change the direction. If you look at the E-mini SB 500, so yesterday the market slammed it down. They be able to build the buy zone. So this morning the market they put it back down to the support and then continue to push it back up to the upside again. So if you are a member of Stock Navigator in our live trading room, every day in the morning we set up the trade for our members. We define where it's the buy zone and where the level of support resistance so that our member will be able to take a trade to make some quick money for daily income. So if you look at the chart here, after the market they found the support and then they break the downtrend line here. So our member be able to get in and then take a first trade here. They push it back up to the first target. We already pre-defined, so that the 30 point in the first hour. So that if you trade the E-mini SB 500, that would be $1,500 per one contract for the first hour, the first 1 hour. And after that, the market slammed it down, and then they found the support again, and then they continue to put it back up until the target 2 at the end of the day. So, so in our member in the first hour of trading room, they'll be able to gain the first 30 point here. But when I turn around after I finish it, I jump in and take a quick trade at the outside. So the total net profit for today is $2,025. And after that, the market to turn around, we'll be able to guide people with a lot of swing trading so that they can looking for a lot of stock to have potential rebound after the yesterday drop. So that way they can make a lot more money. Okay, so if you look at the a lot of stock that we take a look over the weekend on the weekly market forecast, you see that a lot of sector like technology is still doing well, even though they have a drop yesterday, but they'll be able to come back and then continue to put it to the upside. And you can see here on the QQQ, okay, and the IWM, which is the small cap stock, until after the drop yesterday, today they turn around and come right back up, and the Dow also found the support, and they try to find a way to put it back up again. Semiconductor is still one of the strong sector that perform extremely well. As you can see here, they pull back down, and yesterday and then today they continue to push back up. So a lot of stock in this sector on the weekly market forecast. We show you like KLAC, for example, they still hold up very strong and put it up to the upside. Upline material, also another one, is very strong, put it back up to the upside. Maxim Integrated also doing very well, and LCK, that's the Lamb Research, it also get back to the upside pretty strong here. A lot of stuff from computer technology software that you have a trouble that you on the sideways correction. It's like Workday, okay, like Workday, they still in the sideways correction here, and CRM, for example, Salesforce, they do go in the sideways here. They try to find a way to stabilize and looking to the upside. Apple, a lot of big cap stock are still doing very well. Some pull back yesterday, but now they try to find a way to put it back up again. The lean energy like PLUG that we look at over the weekend. So yesterday they pulled back down, today they come to right back up. And GP, that's another one. It's still all up really tight and try to find a way to put it back up again. A lot of bank stock are still doing very well. As you can see, the Goldman Sachs Okay, JB Morgan and Bank of America. Okay, Wells Fargo Bank. Okay, they all are very strong because a lot of money from the stimulus packet come out. Definitely will benefit the bank right there. And the oil sector today, it also come back very strong. Like you see the OXY, it also rebound after 2 week correction there. CVX, Chevron, okay, and ExxonMobil, that's another one, pretty strong and rebound to the upside. This is just some of the stock that we highlight during a weekly market forecast. But in our live trading room every day, we analyze a lot more stock in the real time that our member they bring it up so that we can analyze together, so that we can set up for a swing trade, so that you can stay in the trade longer and make a bigger profit potential. So if you would like to learn how to understand the financial market, how to use a modern technical analysis to apply to the trade and how to read the chart correctly, you can check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. And remember to sign up with our YouTube every time I have a new video so I can alert you so you know where the market is heading to. Okay, and don't forget to give me a thumb up every time. And I will see you on the next video. Take care, everyone.